The wireframe analysis is complete. Look at the stress distribution on the main chassis.
It's holding up well. Prepare the final render sequence.
The stress points on the chassis are still too high here.
We need to adjust the alloy composition slightly or increase the thickness.
Lower on my mark. Easy now, slope and steady. Okay, lock it down.
Confirmed. Position secure.
Easy now, bring it down 5 more centimeters. Watch the alignment on the far side.
Lower slowly. Watch the alignment on the far side. Set it down. Solid.
There's a slight anomaly in the casting joint.
Magnify area C-4.
The nitrogen oil strut weighs several tons, requiring precision alignment before the locking pins can be secured.
All right, bring her down steady. Watch your hands, mate.
Looks aligned. Slack off the tension. I've got the pin ready.
The final piece of the suspension geometry, the massive pivot pin, connects the wishbone to the main arm.
The current height is low by 20 millimeters. Applying adjustment now. Check the stiffness readout. Stiffness is within parameters. Calibration successful.
As you can see on the screen, the laser alignment for axle 1 has passed verification.
The alignment's verified. Spot on. The tracking is perfectly straight now.
This massive V16 diesel engine, the heart of the BelAZ 75-7 Tero, is carefully lowered in.
We're clear on the mounts. Lower slowly.
Confirm seated. All right, team, move in and secure the bolts.
We have alignment. Proceed with the coupling.
Engaging the securing bolts now. Torque is nominal.
Slow down. Bring it left just a centimeter.
Alignment confirmed. Proceed with the tightening sequence.
The 4-drive motors are the heart of the 75-710. Lowering them requires absolute precision.
Watch your clearance on the housing.
Keep the descent steady. We're almost aligned with the housing.
Copy that. Watching the clearance now.
Lower the crane slowly. Watch the alignment.
We're good on this side.
Start tightening the mounts.
Fitting these massive radiator banks requires precision engineering on a truly colossal scale.
Lower it slowly. Watch the clearance on the frame.
All right, it's seated. Pass me the impact wrench.
Here you go. Let's get these lines secured.
Watch the clearance on the left side. Okay, bringing it in slowly. Make sure the wiring harness is clear.
Check the pressure on the suppression tank.
Reading nominal. Camera systems are fully calibrated and online.
Good, sign off on the install sheet.
All right, she's seated. Hit the bolts.
Roger that. Firing up the impact wrench.
A little lower, steady. Looks good here. All right, set it down. Easy, easy. Bring her down slow. Now hold it right there. Tap it in.
The massive hoist cylinder is carefully lowered into the chassis, demonstrating the sheer scale of the BelAZ 75710's lifting power.
The hoist system pressure test begins. As the hydraulics engage, the pressure climbs rapidly from 0.
Weighing in at 810 tons, the 75710 is the largest mining dump truck in the world.
Hold it right there. Ease it up slowly. Watch your spacing on the left. Keep it steady. We've got the weight now. Clear on this side, boss. Take her up.
A marvel of modern engineering, the BelAZ 75710 takes shape.
The BelAZ 75720, the largest mining dump truck in the world, undergoing rapid reassembly.
Final checks are complete. Tire pressure nominal. We are clear for operation.
Inspection complete. All systems green.
It is our pleasure to hand over the keys to your new BelAZ 75710.
Thank you. We are ready to put this machine to work.
Here are the keys to the new 75710. We are very proud of this machine.
Thank you. We are excited to put it to work.